Hello and welcome back to the AGF channel. Cherish beautiful memories with this delightful Ever After pillow, featuring soft and sweet prints in dreamy pastels from the softer side by Amy Sinibaldi. Add a touch of whimsy to any room and make something beautiful. Amy Sinibaldi expresses her soft side by finding beauty in everyday things and expressing what she takes in, simply and delicately, into endearing designs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AGF channel for more crafty sewing content. Full instructions are available in the Ever After pillow pattern, linked in the description. Here's what you'll need to get started: a ruler and rotary cutter, scissors, pins, a Hera marker or fabric pen, batting, tulle, ballet dress template, one 11-inch by 16-inch piece of fabric B, two 1.5-inch by 22.5-inch strips of fabrics B and C, two 1.5-inch by 20.5-inch strips of fabric B and C, two 22.5-inch by 15-inch rectangles of fabric A, one 20.5-inch by 20.5-inch square of fabric A, sew the shorter strips to the right and left sides of fabric A. Now sew your longer strips to the top and bottom of fabric A. Place your pillow top on top of a layer of batting larger than your pillow front and quilt as desired. Use the template to cut out the ballet dress from fabric B on the fold. Center the dress template on fabric A and sew around the dress to secure. Add tulle to the skirt portion of the dress for a special touch. Place the backs right sides together on top of the pillow front. You're going to take your two rectangles and fold back one edge on the short side of each at 1/2 inch. Press and fold in again at 1/2 inch and top stitch. Stitch around the perimeter at 1/2 inch. Turn right side out. Fill with a 22-inch square pillow form and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this quick and fun tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing!